I want to go over my 2025 year-to-date account update, my statistics with broker statements, and why I opened a GC short Strangle at level 4,000. Now, my name is Eli. I'm a professional option trader. I manage over $8.7 million. And if you have any questions about mentorship, just email me and we can see if we can work with one another. Now, the return for the year so far is 29.52%. I haven't had any losses. And currently the GC position is trade number 13 for the year, so not so bad. My average trade duration is still 14.8 days. And my average position size is about 5.6% premium collected of capital per position. And my margin requirements per position are about 22%. You can see my Sharpie, my average stop loss is about 50% of credit, and the 2 months I had no activity. Now, let me show you my broker statements and then we can continue to the position. So this is January 1st until November 7th, and I'm up, as you can see, 29.52% on the account. Now you can screenshot and go over all the positions, but this is basically all the positions that I've had this year, and my only open position is this GC short Strangle, the put and the call, and let's go over the specifics of this position. My position is currently up 23% of credit in just 5 full days that the position has been opened, and you can see all the, the juicy details about the short Strangle, the days to expiration, and I chose 86 days to expiration just because it gives me enough room for breathability, and the strikes are really far far away from the current price. I opened the position on November 2nd, so it was a Sunday when the market opened up around 6:37 p.m. I believe, and this is the fill price that I got, 23.5, and the position size is 3 contracts per every $100,000. So basically, you collect about $7,000 in premium, and it costs you $29,000 in margin impact for every $100,000. So currently for the trend, it's still not clear. The price of gold has been going up quite quickly and then kind of came down. So it's a possible consolidation now. We don't know just yet. And volatility was pretty good when I opened the position. Now it went down, which is obviously beneficial for us. And this is why the position is up 23% in just 5 days. Now, are there any critical reasons for the price to increase? And the answer is no. Same thing, there's no critical reason for the price to decrease. And there's no critical news as of right now, at least. So you can see if it's 3 no's, it's either a short Strangle or a short put. In this case, I chose a short Strangle. So I think everything is pretty straightforward. Let me show you what the position looks like on the graph. These are my short strikes. Call is at 4,700, as you saw on the previous slide, and the put is at 3,400. The reason I opened it at, the price was around, it was close enough to the $4,000 mark, is because this is a pretty kind of big number, a big milestone for gold to reach. And I do believe the price will kind of be attracted to the 4,000 level for at least for the duration of my trade for the most part. And then we'll see what's going to happen after that. But this is the biggest reason I wanted to open, and also because things have kind of come down. So my bottom strike, I selected it first because I wanted to be as close as I can to the bottom of this side channel. So and I decided to go just a little bit inside of it to 3,400 instead of 3,300, just because I can collect a bit more credit, actually way more credit. And then the upper strike, the call strike, I chose it based on being basically equal distance in terms of percentage, or for the most part equal distance from the put side. And so to have the same distance to the call side. And because obviously on the top we don't really have anything, this is the all-time high of gold, and I didn't want to be anywhere close to that number. So I feel pretty good about this position, especially how it's doing currently. And especially given how the S&P has been doing for the past few days or for the past week. It's been really choppy, and some people were getting really hurt. So I'm pretty happy with my current result and my decision making to enter the gold position right now, when it seems like it should consolidate for a little bit longer. But we'll see. For now, volatility is low, so if I end up closing this position quite quickly for the full profit of 50%, I don't see myself opening another position just because volatility is likely to stay low. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will catch you in the next one.